Alright, just thought I'd point out this is math, third edition, sixth grade math, Bob Jones Press. Anyways, we're on chapter 3, section 3, two-digit divisors. Right, so there you go. Hope you're having a good day, buddy. So number 3, 7,034 divided by 82, which is your well, this would be 80 times 80 would be low, and 90 times 80 would be a little high. So it's between these two. 50 times 50 would be 2,500, and 50 times 60 would be 3,000. So it's between 50 and 60. 25 times 200 would be 5,000. 25 times 300 would be 7,500. So it's between those two. So long division, you just you might have to do your work off the side. You know, your remainder has to be less than 33. So just kind of estimating 5 times 30 is 150, so it's going to be more than 150. 6 times 30 would be 180. That'd be awful close, so probably too big. So that makes 5 and get worked out. And then, you know, I guessed 7, and that was right, because the remainder is less than 33. So this one's a pretty friendly one, division. So 51 only goes in once, and subtract 44, bring down 1, so that's 8 times, that's a little over 400, and that's 408. Subtract 33, bring down the 3, that's 6, so that's 306. Subtract the 27, bring down the 8, and 5, and you get a remainder 23. Number 21. So 642, it's divisible by 2 because it's even. It's divisible by 3 because they add up to 12, and you can divide 12 by 3. So it's divisible by 6. If you can divide by 2 and 3, you can divide by 6. And the last two numbers, 42, you can't divide by 4, so you can't divide this by 4. So no, it's not divisible by 4. 6 times 24 is 144. Get a remainder of 6, bring down to 0, and 2, 48, remainder 12. So 62 bags with remainder with 1 dozen left over. 27, 1,000 times 3 equals 3,000 marbles, divided by, you're putting 20 in each bag, so the zeros cancel. You just get half of 300 is 150 bags. That's why I would have done it. When you get, you know, zeros, I like looking at cancel first, make it easier. Number 24, or number 30, sorry. Write a multiplication problem where there is 4 2017, so it's 4 times 2,117 gives you that. Remember, so you had to write the expanded form, 6 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus 4 times 1 plus 1 times a tenth plus 7 times 100. And 36, you got 300 popcorn balls and 20 baskets, so 360 popcorn balls, 20 baskets. So that's just half of 36 is 18. You got 18 popcorn balls in a basket. And then doing it this way, you have popcorn balls divided by popcorn balls per basket. And so you flip to multiply. I'm just doing the units. So the popcorn bar cancel, and so you just get baskets. So it's still 360 divided by 20, you get 18, but it's 18 baskets. And that's the difference. Here you get 18 popcorn balls per basket, but this one's 18